Hey guys, to USMLE team. I changed my name from USMLE point to USMLE team. Okay, the very important topic is acute mesenteric ischemia. Very important topic from USMLE step 1 to step 3. Very important. Okay, so for USMLE examination I will let you know how they present. Okay, just the basics is a syndrome in which the inadequate blood flow through the mesenteric vessels causes ischemia and eventual gangrene of the bowel walls. The three arteries you need to remember for USMLE step 1 because sometimes they can ask you about these. Celiac artery supplies the foregut, hepatobiliary system and the spleen. SMA supplies the midgut, small intestine and proximal mid-colon. Okay, the inferior mesenteric artery IMA supplies the hindgut, that is the distal colon and a rectum. SMA is nothing but a superior mesenteric artery. So remember about the supplies, write it down my dear. Okay, USMLE points, remember how they present in the USMLE. Pain that is a disproportionate to the physical examination. Typically the pain is moderate to severe, diffuse, non-localized, constant and sometimes colicky. In USMLE they give the old age 70 years old man with a valvular heart disease comes with a severe abdominal pain. First think of acute mesenteric ischemia. Why? Because the treatment is very important. If it's a diverticulitis, diverticulosis or some other problems, then you can investigate, but in this you have to treat it. That's why very important points you need to remember. Patients taking anticoagulant, old patient taking anticoagulant suddenly comes with a abdominal pain in the ER. Think of acute mesenteric ischemia. Patient with atrial fibrillation, a patient they say 70 years old or above, old age patient with atrial fibrillation, and he comes with a sudden onset of abdominal pain. Which of the following is the diagnosis? Acute mesenteric ischemia. Very common in USMLE. Okay, amylase level lab findings, you can see amylase levels are moderately elevated. Sometimes they give which of the following could be seen, so we don't usually click the amylase. They give other enzymes and plus amylase also. So think of amylase is also elevated in this condition. Metabolic acidosis, that is a lactic acidosis is seen. X-ray of the abdomen shows specific signs such as a nematosis intestinalis, the gas seen in the through the submucosa, cup printing of the bowel wall, portal vein gas or late findings. This is usually not given in the USMLE examination, but if they give, try to remember these things. Most accurate test is the angiography. Remember, this is very important. Okay, clinically you are suspecting AMI, that is acute mesenteric ischemia. So you will do surgery or investigate with a test to confirm the diagnosis. What do you do? Tell me. No, rush for surgery. Very important. If you don't treat it, if you waste your time in treating the patient, in investigating the patient, then he will die or she will die. Okay, you have to take him to the surgery to open the abdomen and do the surgery. That's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If I have made any mistakes, please let me know. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.